Where'd you go? Where'd Maddie go? Where'd she go? Madeline, Madeline, where are you? Where'd you go? There you are! Oh, where'd you? There you are! Hi. Where'd my Maddie go? Where'd she go? Where'd she go? Oh my gosh! There you are! Yeah, I found you! The peekaboo! No.
Give me the coffee.
She's addicted.
Hand over the Java. You tell him.
Hey, Maddie. Ooh! Ooh! Where'd Maddie go? Where'd Maddie go? Where'd she go? She disappeared. Where'd she go? Where's Maddie?
Ashley. What? Where are we going?
To my house.
And then where?
Camp.
Camp.
Oh, lame.
Camp.
Damn it.
How do you feel? Madeline, where are we going? Maddie, where are we going? Want my sunglasses? Yeah. Head roller. That's me.
Those teeth.
Mitchell, where are we going? Camp.
Am I taking out? Good double.
Where are we going?
I told you. Where are we going?
Yeah.
We are going to Mine Center, Mannion Lake Road, or Blue Lantern Lodge.
That is a good answer.
Mama, I got what you need. You need to feel the buzz. I'm in there having sex, I ain't in there making love. Don't give me a hug, get in there getting rough.
What? Oh. I got gypped.
Oh, press number 3. No, press number 3.
See? This is my child. Look at her. Yeah, she's looking at you like you're crazy. I feel like it's bopping to my music. I just smelled summer. Do you smell summer? I'm ready. Oh yeah, it smells like Melaleuca now. When I was in high school, 2 guys got into an actual physical fist fight because one guy came to class and said it smelled like summer, and the other guy got offended because he thought that was a stupid thing to say. So they got in a huge fight, and the guy that won got his shirt ripped off. See? My daughter. What do you mean? Oh. We've arrived at our destination. We have to haul water. Reminds me of the good old days. These are the cabins. This is the water. So what, we just jump in? Here, I'll grab the water and I'll hand it to you. This is where we pee. Yeah, I flushed the toilet.
Yeah, when you tell me that, I assume that you're the one who did it. Or did you pour it in the bag?
I made a mess.
What are you doing, Cass?
Yeah, pour it in the back, and then flush it, and then pour it in the back so that when you use it next time, it'll flush. Okay.
Is that your slipper?
You should only use 2 gallons.
This is my catch. I caught this bad boy with my bare hands. Hi! Hey, Tinker. Hello. This is where we do the cooking. Look, there's 2 stoves. Hi. Someone out there. Ah. This thing's cute.